Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have for sale a luxurious villa known as the Golden Castle Villa, Hotel on the Greens in Rose Hall Estate, Montego Bay, St. James. This is exactly what dreams of luxury are made of and elegantly tucked into the lush Jamaican landscape. This home consists of 12 bedrooms with 12 ensuite bathrooms, offering the ultimate vacation getaway with luxury amenities and full staff quarters in a stately setting. Enjoy breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea, access the Doctor's Cave Beach, and the Cinnamon Hill Golf Course right at your doorstep. The villa's private amenities rival those at any resort, from the state-of-art theater room, conference room, game room, and minibar area to fitness center, spa, and sauna facilities. Soak in the Caribbean sun from outdoor living areas featuring a pool, hot tub, barbecue, bar, and plenty of room for lounging and dining. Inside the villa is gracious and traditional with spacious column-lined rooms that opens to terrace through wide door. The land area of this villa is 57,935 square feet with porcelain tile throughout. Some other features of this home includes security system, garden area, water tank, water heater, ceiling fans, grilled, main level entry, fully walled, TV cable, standby generator, 24-hour security, the beach, view of the mountain, central location, easy access, family oriented, golf course nearby, private setting, view of the ocean, view of the city of Montego Bay, recreation nearby, quiet area, landscaped, seniors oriented, acreage, paved road, level lots, and gated community. The asking price of this luxurious property is US $3.25 million. Now, let's take a look at this property and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.